Hello everyone, welcome to IT Horizon. In today's video, we are going to discuss about deliver content by email in Odoo 90. Let's navigate into the sales module and move on to the configuration settings to enable the feature deliver content by email. So when deliver content by email is enabled, Odoo will automatically send an email with downloadable file or link to the customer after the sale order is confirmed or the invoice is paid depending upon your step. And here you can see that we have enabled the feature, the send a product specific email once the invoice is validated. Let's say you want to sell a product called cable management box and we just need to send the invoice to the customer. As the deliver content by email is enabled, when you move on to the product and let's consider the cable management box. Here you can see that we have an accounting tab. Under this, you can see automatic email at once and you can set the email template. Upon moving on to the internal link, you would be able to see the body over here. Once that's done, let's see how to deliver content by email in Odoo 90. Click on New button and where you can fill out the details of the customer. I would like to choose the customer over here. So if you want to choose a customer, you can just choose them and move on to the internal link. Ensure that the customer has got a valid mail over here. And let's move on to the product. And in the products, you can find the cable management box. I don't need to apply any taxes over here. And let's save the changes that we have made and let's click on confirm so that the quotation will be moving as a sale order. Now we know to deliver content by email, we need to create an invoice and upon validation of the invoice only, we can deliver the content by email. Now you can see that upon clicking on confirm, we can deliver the content by email as we have validated the invoice. Now here you can see that as we just sent the mail, you would be able to see or you can track it under the chatter. So if you want to ensure the mail ID, you can just get it from here. Now let's move on to the mail of the customer to view the deliver content by email. So here you can see that the customer has received a mail from the company with all the details of the invoice with the reference number, with the amount and from which company. So that's how we'll manage to deliver content by email in Odoo 90. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.